In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use checklists in Monday.com. We'll install the checklist app from the Monday.com marketplace and add it to a board so you can start tracking subtasks in a simple visual way. Start on the home page of your Monday.com account. If you're already logged in, you'll see your recent boards and workspaces. At the very top of the interface, look for the small puzzle piece icon. This is your shortcut to the app's marketplace, where you can extend Monday with focused tools like checklists. Inside the marketplace, you can browse categories, but the fastest path is to use the search bar. Click into the search field, type the word checklist, and press enter. You'll see several results. Find the listing called Checklist for Monday, then open it to view details like screenshots, key features, and permissions. Taking a moment to read this page helps you confirm the app fits your workflow and your plan. When you're ready, click Install App. You'll be asked where the app should be available. You can enable it for all workspaces, which makes it accessible across your account, or for specific workspaces if you want tighter control. For this walkthrough, choose all workspaces so everyone can try it, then continue to the install confirmation and approve. Next, you'll place the app where you want to use it. Choose the workspace that contains the board you're working on, then select the board itself. If your account has many boards, use the search box in the picker to find the right one quickly. After selecting the board, click Add App. Monday will attach the app to that board so you can add and manage checklists within your items. That's the setup. From here, you'll see the checklist app available on the board. If you don't see it immediately, refresh your browser and verify you added it to the correct board. A quick tip, you need the proper permissions to install apps. If the install button is grayed out, contact your account admin to grant access. Also, if you're testing before a broader rollout, you can repeat the process but choose specific workspaces to limit where the app appears. You now know how to find the marketplace, search for checklists for Monday, install it, choose the right availability, and add it to the board where your team works. Enjoy turning large tasks into clear, actionable checkboxes right inside Monday.com.